Alrighty, team. Today I'm going to do a bit of a deep dive using ChatGPT with setting up a new system. So when it comes to setting up new systems, we all usually get overwhelmed. And today I had the beautiful opportunity to start setting up Odoo for my sales process perspective. Essentially, I've been implementing HubSpot for the last 10 years, and I've been using HubSpot in my business for the last 10 years. And so we're going all in on Odoo, and I'm configuring Odoo to essentially be my new sales CRM system. Mainly two reasons. One, I love HubSpot inside and out, but their pricing structure is just ridiculously outpriced for SME now. I understand why. They're trying to exit, trying to sell to Google, whatever that ends up happening in that space. But two, we're essentially promoting, and we've gone all in Odoo for everything else. So I'm going to give it a red hot crack, and then I'll give you guys a bit of an insight into the comparison between Odoo and HubSpot from a sales CRM perspective in a few months from now. But that's not what today's about. Today's about setting up HubSpot, setting up Odoo from scratch. My entire world's been HubSpot, so you might see that. So essentially, this is my Chatty G. I didn't want to learn Odoo inside and out. I don't want to watch all the videos. I don't want to go through the manuals. I wanted to essentially cheat, right? So I just said we need to, set up Odoo from having HubSpot. It gave me analysis of what I need to look at within HubSpot initially. So, and then analyze the HubSpot setup, all the different, what we're using HubSpot for. Look at the different modules, what we need to configure, all the reporting and dashboarding, any data migration. Essentially, it gives you every step-by-step process you need to go through. I then said, I know HubSpot inside and out. So can you give me a step-by-step guide on setting up the same process I already have for HubSpot sales CRM inside Odoo? So then essentially it gives me the breakdown. So what I essentially need to follow. So, physically log into here, go to the apps, go to CRM, install the CRM app, like really from the basic, really from the beginning, right? Then go configuration, then go settings, set up your team, set up your staff members, set up your users, set up your leads and opportunities and your stages and lead scoring. I already kind of know this because it's exactly the same process in HubSpot. Obviously, we're just doing it inside Odoo. And the reason I'm using ChatGPT to do this is because I don't know where these settings are located. I've never seen or used Odoo before, right? So it's like any system that you're going for in the first place, you're starting fresh. And so I want to skip all that learning process and just go, cool, just tell me exactly where I need to go. And that's where I think ChatGPT really comes in handy. And what I want to explain today, this conversation is not just about Odoo. It's not just about HubSpot. This is about setting up systems using ChatGPT. And I think this is so crucial, right? Because we get bogged down with the overwhelm of what we need to go through when we're setting up a new system, where essentially if you go through step-by-step process of exactly what I'm showing you here, it tells you exactly what you need to do. There's no thinking required. And this is for any system. So I think you don't need to worry about, this one here, for example, it gave me some information on Odoo 16. We're using 17. So this is what it looks like. Cool. I'll update its information on 17. This is the different information you should be aware of. So why this is so important is you need to, I think, understand that we have this capability and capacity around a system now, like ChatGPT, a platform, to speed up the process on everything we're doing. And so why not use it to our advantage? Why not use it to try and skip the heartache that we would normally go through when we're setting up a new system and get straight through to conclusion? And so something that would normally take days, if not weeks, to learn, I essentially did it within an hour to 2 hours. Done. Set up. So I just want to quickly share with you, it's possible, it's here, and you should start using ChatGPT as much as you possibly can for everything you do in your organization. But I want to give you an example of what it looks like when you're setting up a brand new system, never seen before, from scratch, and fully operational within a few hours. That is my 2 cents for today. Hopefully, you've enjoyed this little expedition around this. And yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts and your process around, can you do this in your business and what the outcome is.